Welcome to the video. This is the instruction of product Synco. One fixed host and one single button pager. Attention please. All the buttons are on the back. First, when the fixed host is on standby, press the button F1 for 3 seconds till F1 appears on the screen. Second, keep pressing the button ENT, then 001 appears. Third, keep pressing the button up, move or down to choose the register number you want. Fourth, press the calling button to be registered. The register number flashes on the screen with music prompt and then stops. Fifth, repeat step 3, step 4 to register all the calling buttons you need at the same time. Sixth, press button ESC and then F1 appears. 7. Press button ESC again, back to standby mode. The registration is finished.
1, 3, 5, service. 4, 2, 3, service.
Thanks for watching.